Okay, so this is Unit 4, Homework 4, column number 1. Number 1 asks us to solve the proportional equation, below. Okay, so we're going to need to cross multiply. Okay, b times 5, 5b, 3 times 10 will be 30, and then divide, so b will be 6. Okay, number 2 says find the missing angle measurements below. Well, we know that all the angles of a triangle have to add up to 180, so our first step is to add the angles that we have. Okay, and then that'll be 99, and we'll take 180 and subtract 99, so 81 would be the missing angle measurement. Okay, for number 3, which shape possesses a set of parallel cross sections that are congruent circles? That would be a cylinder. Okay, number 4, the distance around a circle is 56.55 meters long. What is the diameter of the circle? Okay, so here we're going to use our circumference equals pi d formula. We're going to plug in that we know c, 56.55 equals pi d. We're going to divide both sides by pi, so our diameter would be approximately 18 meters. Okay, to find the area of the figure below, we got to do two things. We got to first find the area of the rectangle, okay, then find the area of the circle, and then divide, okay, that in 2 because this is only a half circle. So we're going to find the area of the rectangle first. 8 times 3 is 24, so the area of the rectangle will be 24. Okay, then we'll need to find the area of this circle here. So we know the diameter of the circle is 3, so the radius of the circle must be 1.5. So we're going to take area equals pi r squared, area equals pi 1.5 squared, area equals pi times 2.5. Okay, so area of the circle would be the entire circle would be 2.25 pi, or 7.065 millimeters squared. Okay, but we don't need the whole circle, we only need half the circle. So we're going to take both of these and divide by 2. Okay, remember this is just two different ways of writing it. Okay, here we've included the pi, here we've multiplied the pi out, which is actually the value we're going to need to use, okay, because we're going to have to add our 24 and our area of half the circle. Okay, so this entire image's area would be 27.5325 meters squared. Okay, and you could round that to 27.53. Okay, moving along to question number 6. Okay, so we're going to look at question number 6. We have find the measure of angle B. Okay, well this is working together to make a 90-degree angle. Okay, so we're going to take the one that we know, which is 65, and subtract from 90, which will leave us with an angle measurement of 25. So the missing angle measurement is 25. Okay, for number 7, we need to find the missing angle, okay, of the question mark that's down here in the right-hand corner. Okay, so we've got to do several things here. Okay, I've named this triangle 1 and triangle 2 to kind of keep things separated. Okay, so for the first thing that we need to do is find the missing angle of triangle 1. Okay, so we're going to add 46 and 64, which gives us 110, subtract from 180, which is 70. So this angle measurement here will be 70 degrees. Okay, they gave us the 60, so these three angles now, since they share the same vertex, they are working together to form a straight angle of 180 degrees. So we're going to add 70 plus 60, which equals 130. Okay, and then subtract that from 180. So our missing angle for triangle number 2 would be 50 degrees. Okay, so now just looking at triangle number 2, we have an angle of 50 degrees, an angle of 30 degrees, and we need to find this bottom angle here. So 50 plus 30 will be 80. 180 minus 80 will be 100. Okay, moving on to number 8. We're finding the missing angle again. Okay, straightforward triangle rules. 40 and 40, that's 80. Okay, we'll subtract from 180 because all the angles of a triangle have to be 180. 180 minus 80 will be 100. So the missing angle for triangle 8 would be 100.